Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about compound light microscope. This is a diagram of a developed compound light microscope. Here you can identify the main parts of the microscope: eyepieces or ocular lenses, then binocular heads, objective lenses. There are 4 objective lenses here, then C-mount and trinocular head, lock screen, then arm stand, mechanical stage. There you can find stage clips, condenser, filter holder, base lens, base, coarse focusing knob, fine focusing knob, mechanical stage controls, light dimmer, on off switch. Now we'll find out the functions of parts. Eyepiece, the closest lens to the eye. It is a convex lens. Magnification is shown as 5 times, 10 times, or 15 times. The specimen is magnified by using them. Objective lens. Low power objective lens, the lens with the least magnification, 4 times, 5 times, or 8 times. Mid power objective lens, the lens with the medium magnification, 10 times. High power objective lens, the lens with the highest magnification, 40 times. Then coarse adjustment, to adjust the body tube to get a clear image of the specimen. Fine adjustment, to adjust the body tube finally to get a clear image of the specimen. Stage, to keep the slide of the specimen. Clip, to keep the slide of the specimen on the stage. Diaphragm, control the amount of light obtained by the specimen. Mirror, contains concave and flat surfaces, focus light onto the diaphragm. Base, keep the microscope on the supporting surface steadily. The correct method to use a microscope: first, keep the microscope on a vertical table steadily in a place where strong sunlight will not fall. Use the rough adjustment to bring the lower power objective lens down. Adjust the mirror and the diaphragm to obtain a clear spot of light by keeping the eye open on the eyepiece. Fix the prepared slide on the stage using clips. Bring the low power objective lens upward using the rough adjustment until a clear image is obtained, making sure that both eyes are open during the process. Keep the comfortable eye at a distance of 1 cm to the eyepiece. Try to obtain a clear image using fine adjustment. A sharp and clear image could be obtained by adjusting the middle and high power objective lens if necessary. Use the rough adjustment to bring the lower power objective lens upward after the observation. Remove the specimen from the stage. Use a dry piece of cotton cloth. Wipe the stage. Magnification power of a microscope. We can find the magnification power of the microscope by using this equation. Magnification of a microscope equals magnification of eyepiece into magnification of objective lens. Thank you for listening.